What is the number one lie that we all say to ourselves, that we were programmed as kids to say to ourselves, that is keeping us broke and that keeps us from moving forward and achieving those big goals, that's the success that we actually are looking for? And yes, I am playing Christmas music. It is December, so you're going to hear it everywhere you go. That doesn't exclude this place. But the number one lie that we say to ourselves is, it is okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. And while I am a big fan of being an optimistic person, because I am optimistic, I'm not a big fan of lying to myself. And when you say to yourself, it is okay, in spite of the fact that you are living paycheck to paycheck, in spite of the fact that you don't know how you're going to pay your bills next month, in spite of the fact that you're driving a hoopty ride that you're not happy with, it is not okay to say that. And the reason why it's not okay to say it's okay when in fact things are not okay is because your conscious and your subconscious mind do not know the difference between what's real and what isn't real. Now, I understand that when this was implemented into our minds, and as kids, our parents were just trying to make us feel good, and they were just trying to make us feel better. And that's 100% okay. But as adults, we have to understand when things are not okay so that we can then do something about it and rectify the issue. If you say everything's okay, then you're telling a message to your subconscious mind that we're okay and we can coast. We can do things without taking action. We can watch another Netflix movie instead of doing something about it. And the truth is, the only way to get out of this predicament is by being realistic and being honest with yourself that things are not okay. And you have to take action. You have to create a plan. You have to execute a plan. Once again, the conscious and the subconscious mind does not know the difference between something that's vividly imagined or something that's actually happening before your eyes. What I mean by that is you can have a thought over something that was really funny that happened a week ago, and you will physically laugh today. You can also have a thought about something that was really sad, like a death of a loved one that happened 10 years ago, and you can literally shed a tear today. The subconscious mind does not know the difference between what is and what isn't. So when you're saying to yourself, everything's okay, in spite of the fact that it isn't, you are sending a message to your subconscious mind, which runs about 95% of your day-to-day activity, that everything's okay. And you won't really take that extra action. You won't really have that drive to get your ass off the couch, to stop watching Netflix and to do something about it. That's all I got for today. Have a good day.